Hi, it's Nishka from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and I'm here with another fun, fast, and easy project for you today. Before I get started, just check out the rest of our channel, hit like and subscribe, and you'll always know when we have new content coming. Today I'm going to show you a really fun, fast, and easy project that takes almost no time and almost no materials using these really cool earring findings that we have. These are sterling silver. Really pretty, beautiful, and easy to work with. The wire is so thin, you can get all of these bicones through, even the tiny ones. So the project is really simple, and you end up with a really trendy, fun, fashionable earring, just like this one. What I have here is a mix of beads. You can essentially use any beads you want, round, bicone, what have you. And like I said, even a 3mm size will work. I've got a selection here from 3mm all the way to 6, and I'm using the color palette from the new Emerging Spring Bronze Pony collection. So this is part of those mixes that you can get. But you can use anything you have on hand. It takes very few beads, so mix and match and have some fun with it. What's trendy right now is to use different beads in a similar color palette, but not identical. So that's what I'm doing in this project. I also wanted to do graduated size beads. So I'm going to start with the very small ones and then move to the larger ones at the end. So really simple, just take your earring finding. I've already pulled out the beads I wanted to use here. And all you have to do is thread them on like so. Easy peasy. We can keep going with the small size, or you can go up. So I'm doing 4 3mm beads. Then I'm moving up to 4mm beads. So I'm picking 3 of these. Aren't these lovely bicones? Just love how sparkly they are. Okay. And we're finishing with a couple of 6s. So now that you've got everything on here, that was the easy part. What do you do next? If you were to just leave them, they would fall off, right? But because these are sterling silver, super high quality, it also means that you can squeeze it to change its shape. So what you do next is you have to grab a flat nose plier. Make sure there are no ridges inside. It needs to be completely flat inside. You're going to take your earring and you want to hold it in this direction. What you're going to do is flatten this wire into kind of a paddle shape. Before I do it, I'll just show you what it looks like when it's done. This is the previous one I made. And you see here, I flattened the end so that the beads don't come off. And we'll do the same on this side. Take your pliers, get them in gently, and you want to make sure that you avoid squeezing this second piece. See, like this? And we're going to give it a really good, strong squeeze. Now let's see if that worked. Sometimes what happens is you didn't squeeze enough and your beads will still come off. See, that's what happened here. So if the first time it doesn't get flat enough to hold the beads, just reposition a little bit closer to the edge and give it another really good squeeze. You can even use both hands. Squeeze hard. It's a bit flatter now. And voila, your beads will not fall off. So now we have this really fun pair of earrings. Really fun, very trendy, and if you don't like the two different color designs on each, just make them matching. And these are so great for spring, really beautiful, really evoke that emerging spring that we get in the collection, and I really hope you like this project. Fast, easy, simple, less than 5 minutes, and you get a pair of earrings. So thanks for joining us. I hope you like this project. Go ahead and check out the other amazing earring findings we have on eurekacrystalbeads.com, as well as all of the products included in the really cool brand new collection, the Bronze Pony Emerging Spring. So thanks and have a great day.